Fashion and health. How is it connected?
Harmful fabrics should be totally avoided.
Myself, Shravani Usha Tejaswini Datta, welcome you special viewers to my channel, I with me and you. In today's episode, we have our wardrobe stylist, Sudipta Debashmita De, where we talk about fashion therapy workshops and its creative part and why it is important. Sudipta Debashmita De, I welcome you in my channel, I with me and you. You are a specialist in dealing with fashion healing, in fact. And it is a very trendy word that is prevalent. In fact, it's going to be much more prevalent as a trend-setting goal and objective as a whole. So, could you just explain what fashion therapy exactly aim at?
Thank you so much for inviting me for this show. And your question is really wonderful. Fashion and therapy definitely aims at something very unique.
Okay.
So it aims at creating an internal balance and happiness within. So, it's a process that fashion that goes with your personal style and it tries to improve you mentally and physically. It connects you to your inner feelings and your outer external world. So, if we take this factor into a little deeper aspect, we can talk about many things in this. We can say there is definitely a self expression of our subject. That fashion therapy plays a very key role. So it expresses your personality when you are in a clothing that acts as a very powerful tool. Then we can also talk about the mood, how your mood gets adjusted and correlates with the therapeutic effect of garments and the fabrics that one is wearing.
Okay.
Definitely, again, we can talk about the confidence. So, taking all these factors into account, we can definitely say that the therapy that a garment and outfit can have on an individual is mind blowing. But we don't understand it so much that it's not a typical physical thing to analyze and understand. Because when it blends with the creativity of what you're wearing, and when your outfit reflects your persona, your social status, and acts as a symbol to the environment. So it is correlating you and it is also healing you. The therapy is happening from within. So connecting you to a surface where you feel so good, you feel energetic,
Okay.
you feel yourself to be at a different level of your life. Whereas, I cannot tell you the amount of or the degree or it's not in a term of measurement. If we try and
Okay.
understand the subject, it is where you don't understand how it is happening, but it is actually a background show which is going on continuously with us.
Okay. The therapeutic use of fashion are very much in. But what is this healthy fashion? Because fashion and health again is very much correlated as we are going through the discussion process. So what is this healthy fashion and how does it affect our life?
Healthy fashion is a new spectrum for us to understand because when fashion is relating to health, it's a very important subject to understand because here our inner self is getting connected. So if I brief the subject and make the viewers a little detail and understand the fact, like when we are bringing in health with fashion means what we are wearing.
Right.
So what we are wearing when we have different specific jobs and work sphere throughout the day, in the morning when we are doing our yoga. So I often suggest that come out of those fitted and stretchable garments because that is the garment where your skin can't breathe. We don't understand that. We wear it because that's in trend.
Yes.
But I always personally suggest when there are people who come in, for theme outfits and all that things. So I always say that whenever you're doing your yoga, whether you're doing your Zumba, where you're doing your meditation, anything that you do, Your outfits should be very loose and comfortable, not those tight fitted where your skin can't breathe. So that is not at all healthy for skin. So those stretchable things, I think it's a no, no, no. I believe it like that. So see, different people can have a different point of view on this subject. So we always have to think about our environment. We have to wear those recycled things, which is eco-friendly fabrics, comfortable, convenient, maintenance free, definitely
Contributing to health.
contributing to our health. So that is health and fashion is related. So another thing, there are some fashionable outfits and garments which are having lot of accessories, accessoring activities in it, like multiple pockets and zips. So we don't have to think and worry when you are going out and traveling. So that multiple factors are setting in.
This is a utility factor.
Right, right, right. Utility factor. So utility factor is there that you have to definitely take into consideration while thinking about fashion and health. So fitness outfits, definitely the cotton ones, the blended ones, the natural ones, which is naturally processed. So that is adding on to your health. So also one more thing is there that these days a concept of fast fashion, we have to avoid that. I believe it. Because fast fashion is what we are not thinking of what we are wearing. We are maybe, we go for budget friendly things. We buy
Nicely.
any things that it's what is it, stretch free. It's many other concepts that comes in. It is comfortable.
Looks
it is,
good to our
looks
eyes.
good. It fits to our body shapes. It's convenient for us to wear. Convenient, easy to travel with. So those harmful materials we should absolutely avoid, I believe.
Okay.
So that is how fashion going along at parallel with health is so correlated. We do not understand the fact so much in detail, but yes, we should consider in the coming number of years, people are becoming more aware of the things that we have to take into consider the emotional and the physical being of ourselves. And the wearable tech that is there in the outfits, it is another thing which I believe one should consider in wearing the outfits. The clothings with people who are operated, who had just undergone some specific operation. So they wear a specific type of outfit which is easy for them. Suppose you've broken your hands, you've broken your legs. So that is another thing where garments like fashion and health sets in. Because maybe for that lady or that person, you need to wear a one shoulder outfit. So lot of things are there.
Everywhere we are contributing.
Right. Everywhere we are contributing, but we don't term it. We accept it and we analyze it. Yes. Oh, it's like this, so we have to wear an outfit which goes on like this. So creativity, we should take the creative factor into account where we have to experiment with a number of things, the material, the texture, the colors that adds on and uplifts our mood. And definitely the positive and the negative factors are there. When we feel negative, a negative mindset is, it gets totally eradicated when we are thinking about the therapy. We understand the color wheel and the color concept of fashion and outfit.
Absolutely.
That is how it goes along.
Means when we talk of health and fashion, the therapeutic workshops is very much needed to create awareness for the people, because I believe most of the people, including me, though I was sitting and getting details from you, I need to be aware on this subject, that we should not be carried away with whatever is happening with the other people. We should have our own decision. How come this thing be, reach out to those people? The therapeutic workshop, the importance of therapeutic workshop.
Yes, therapeutic workshops people need to understand definitely. And some segment of people are also very aware and they are gradually becoming very conscious whenever they are purchasing anything. They are, understanding the facts that what is our requirement, how it can be beneficial and healthy for me. There are definitely these factors that have become very notable these days because, things are changing. People are becoming very conscious about their health. So now they have also started relating things with fashion and the trend. They are not on only going with what is prevailing in the market. They are, coming to us with their own decisions and ideas. So this shows that yes, the segment of people whom we actually needed to, understand and focus that yes, you understand that this is something which is good for you, something this is not good for you. So especially, the young girls, if we are talk about the young juveniles, they have become very cautious. They have really become aware.
Yeah, I feel the very young generation as a whole, what I am also coming through, they are, are more into a lot of spiritual activities nowadays because they are going for meditation classes, they're going for yoga. I feel this is just because of the awareness. They have narrowed down their thinkings. So, and since when you have connected the fashion with healing and the details along with it, I feel this will channelize them
Yes.
and they can have a particular direction, because whenever we are sitting for yoga or a meditation, we definitely need a comfortable clothing.
Yeah.
Or a person, as a patient, when we talk about all hindrances of life as well.
Right.
So that person also needs a very relaxed and a comfortable wear, so that the person does not go through a troublesome procedure
True.
to wear that garment.
Very
Yes,
true.
how can now see fashion is becoming so, not, I will say not complicated, but very interesting subject.
Yes.
It is not that, you wear a garment, you walk on the ramp, you exhibit the dress, you have the creativity, ornate it, and then you present it. Now, fashion is so deep down.
Yes. Fashion has now entered the health segment where people are cautious. They understand, even in the hospital industries, now they are thinking of designing their uniforms in a way that is comfortable and easy. So that concept of, narrowing down of the thoughts that things should be there which has a therapeutic
With a positive
effect.
mind frame.
Yes, yes. The positive mind frame.
People are
That has
talking of
set in.
that.
Yes.
All
That,
positivity.
yes. In more days to come, things will definitely change. I really look forward as a wardrobe stylist. I believe that we are looking forward for more young generations, to come up with this type of concept where they can do something, whatever they are wearing, they can heal up themselves, they can work for their own health along with the trendy fashion that has set in.
Yes, this is very much because once I am fit, I can make the changes for others, because we must be the change to see the change. And
Right.
thank you. Thank you, Sudipta, for narrating such a wonderful discussions we had today regarding the fashion therapeutic uses, the importance of workshops. I feel the viewers, it will immensely benefit them. And definitely, if it does, my viewers, with a golden heart, would like to invite you to give your valuable comments, which will enable us to move on with the further subjects ahead, and subscribe the channel along with it. Thank you. Thank you so much.